Now, there's a caveat because there's really only value to existing shareholders under two conditions. One is that the share buyback actually reduces the number of shares outstanding.
Hey, Matt, what is a stock buyback?
Yeah, so think about a pizza.
Hmm.
The number of slices in that pizza does not alter the size of the pizza. So if you have 4 slices or you have 8 slices, pizza is still the same. Think about a company in much the same way. The value of a company is independent of the number of shares that it has issued. So when a company buys back shares, it can reduce the number of slices or number of pieces of ownership that are outstanding. This is important because companies issue stock all the time to employees. So when they issue stock options to employees and the employees exercise those options, the company issues more shares. So if all of it is doing is buying back the shares that it issues, there's really no value to existing shareholders. The second condition to create value is that the stock has to be bought at a reasonable price, preferably an attractive price. So if the company buys back its shares at too high a price, all it has really done is shift value from the existing shareholders to the shareholders who are selling the stock. But under the right conditions, stock buybacks can increase the value to existing shareholders because it increases the size of the slices that they own in the company.